Hi, my name is Laura Hodges, and I am the Language Arts and Social Studies instructional coach here at Exley Elementary. And I wanted to talk to you a little bit about things that have changed this year in language arts. This year, the state of Texas adopted new TEKS. That's the Texas Essential Knowledge and Skills. Those are the objectives that teachers use in order to teach their students. This is how we plan our lessons. We look at the objective, the learning objective that our students need to learn, and we plan our lessons around that. So with those new TEKS also came new resources. So I want to share with you some of the resources that were adopted this year. One of them is the Units of Study in Phonics. And so with that comes books, resources that we use, and also along with those books come these amazing resource kits. Inside these kits, you'll see lots of things like songs and poems that our children can use to apply their phonics knowledge. There's great charts for them to learn their letters, their sounds, their vowels, even blends and digraphs and trigraphs, all kinds of great phonics learning. Another thing in the Phonics Kit are sight words. So there are small cards that our students use when they're partner reading to practice these words. These are the words that they must learn during each grading period, and it shows up on their report card for kindergarten. And in first and second grade, they have an assessment on their snap words. So it's really important that they learn these words. Plus, we know that that's the foundational knowledge that they need in order to become strong readers. So one of the things that our teachers would love is, instead of keeping their snap words in the flimsy Ziploc bags that sometimes get misplaced, they're looking for containers. They found some really great containers at Dollar Tree. And so they are 3 for $1, which is a great deal. So that's one of the things that our teachers would love for our PTA to support them with. Okay, stop right there.